We have brought UCA Camp, which is the Universal Cheerleading Association's camp, here to Beaufort County for the first time. Typically, our program travels to a local university in the state to participate in this programming. However, my goal this year was to support our community over competition initiative, growing competitive cheerleading here in Beaufort County, and to celebrate our programs and bring us all together.
So we've been learning a lot of cheers together, and we've done dances, we've learned so much material, and I'm so excited to show it at the football games.
It's pretty much just a fun experience with like learning dances, cheers, kind of just expand our skills on certain things with building our cheer team.
I've been learning stunts. I've got so much better with libs and stuff. And we've been just learning how to do stuff more as a team. Like at school, we do teamwork. Teamwork is a thing, yeah. But here, they focus a lot on that.
So throughout their time at camp over the 3 days, they participate in several stunt workshops, sideline and cheer workshops where they learn different cheers with words that they can put their own mascot and school colors in. And so they take the material, they make it their own, they add their school flags, their school signs, their school palms, cheer out their school's mascot and colors. And so we compete together on the final day in the championship. 2 separate routines. One is a sideline performance showing off your school spirit, what you do best on Friday nights, as well as the second competition, which is the camp routine, which is more similar to what we do at the South Carolina High School League State Championships in November each year. And so judges for the spirit sideline competition, they're looking for facials, they're looking for crowd engagement, they're looking for volume, they're looking for interaction. Whereas the camp routine, they're gonna be looking for skill, they're gonna be looking for precision, they're going to be looking for the highest level of our abilities.
Every day we have a stunting class, and they'll show us a few things, and then we'll do the few things, and then they'll show us more and we'll do it again. And then we've had this pyramid breakout, which is just a bunch of stunts connected. Each group has their own pyramid that they've learned, and yesterday we had a hiccup with ours, but then today we went out and we won the gold ribbon today, so it just shows that hard work really pays off.
My favorite thing has been stunts, but like other besides that, it has been the camp dance. It was real fun to learn, but very hard at some times.
They definitely helped me and my base become more connected when we doing stunts, and also taught us more hand placements to where it's safer for our fly to get in the air and quicker and easier for us to bring her down safely.
My favorite class is stunt class because we get to learn all these different types of stunts and different ways to do them. Like a full up is when a girl spins all the way around and you have to catch her. I am learning how to use those grips so I can apply it to myself. And especially for my school, we do competition, actually school-wide competition. So learning these new stunts really helps me upper my technique and everything else so I can be perfect for the mat.
We hope that athletes that participate in this camp are taking away new skills. However, the biggest benefit that they could take away is character growth and community and appreciation for the fact that we're all cheerleaders, we're all from Beaufort County, and we're all doing this together. So just growth in their own way as well as in a community sense.
It's really exciting to meet everybody, and when we would all stunt together, some flyers from different schools would come stunt with us, we would stunt with other girls, and we were all just super supportive with each other, and since it's not really any big competition, we're all cheering each other on the whole time.
It's cool when we're at practice, just our team, but when you get to practice with other schools, it's way different. You see how they do this, you see the difference between what you do, what they do, and to interact with them is awesome. I made 10 different friends on different teams.
Hearing the athletes talk about how they've made new friends from other schools within our district. We all live in the same county, we're all part of the same family here, but to have the cheerleaders see what each respective program brings to our district and get to celebrate their differences, their similarities, and just the love for our sport in our district is really such a gift for all of us.
I love seeing other people's skills, and I love trying to compete with them, but I also love bonding with them. I also love learning from them, and with that, I felt like we've really grown together. Normally it's oh, they're a rival school, but now it's no, that's my cheer sister. She helps me with stuff, and I love that so much, and I love that we're coming together and actually bonding.
I think this is really good because us as a community, we don't really know each other very well, and I think having it here is really increasing all of our friendship and a lot of more camaraderie between all the schools, so we can have a nice lovely season and always cheer on our friends, even if they're on the other team.
I'm just so grateful that Hilton Head, May River, Beaufort, Battery Creek, and Robert Smalls were all able to come together this week to celebrate our athletes, their abilities, their achievements, their contributions to our community, and be able to grow together in our community over competition initiative. Seahawks!